Hey guys, Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Today we're going to look at the 2024 Boston Whaler 16 Super Sport. The perfect little family boat that's easy to tow, easy to store, and it's overall easy boat to maintain. Starting here, the bow of the boat, you'll notice our swing away tongue on our trailer. Makes it where you can put this boat in any size garage, out, easy to store like I said. And here with the bimini top, with the transom powered by 90 horsepower Mercury, push this boat well where you have that 3 to 4 person family, easy to get up plane and get you to where you need to go quick. Let's step aboard and take a look what the inside of the boat has to offer. Hey guys, now we're here on the bow of the 2024 Boston Whaler 16 Super Sport. Notice up front here, all finished out anchor locker. Put your anchor and rotor in there, no problem, out of sight, out of mind. Here midship, you have a cooler slash dry space, where this is also removable, take it off the boat, and they have a more open access to the bow. Up here forward of the steering wheel, have another hatch, put your valuables in here, your phone, watch, wallet. Close this back up, and dry storage as well. Optional fuel tank, giving you extra range for the day. And then notice here in the cockpit, where if you want to put some water toys, whatever you may have for the day, you do so and have plenty of space to do it. Ben Finley here, MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Come by and see the 16 Super Sport for yourself today. Have a good one.